If I don't see orders coming on my website, first thing I do is I go place an order. Why? Because I want to see what the customer experience is like. What's on your mind today? Whatever you're working on right now that you need help processing.
Right now, Amazon is not helping us a lot, saying the exact same reason why the customers are returning the products or anything like that. There's plenty of them, like defective. It could be as well that unwanted.
Do you have an actual return percentage? If there's a lot of returns or refunds, or at least you think there are, the question is how do you compare against the competitors? Are we 20% and everybody else is at 10? Another tip is having the product ordered just to see what the customer experience is like. If I don't see orders coming on my website, first thing I do is I go place an order. Why? Because I want to see what the customer experience is like. Maybe you order the product and it's a hot sauce bottle and it's a 5-pound hot sauce bottle, but when the consumer gets it, it was shipped in a padded envelope. That literally happened to me. If there's a suspicion of high return rates, first thing I would do is place an order.
So the NCX return rate, it's 9.52.
That's high. So you see how that's in red there? They're not saying it's very poor yet. It's a high rate. They're putting it as fair, which I find unusual.
What we have tried in this scenario to fix this is like we added a product insert into the package saying like, hey, if you face any problems, please contact the brand. This is our product, and this is the one that it's getting returns. And so what we have done, it's adding a product insert. We also use the tool of the Helium 10 follow-up, after the order is placed.
When was the last time you opted or took action from a seller email to you? Never.
No, never.
Exactly.
Can't recall.
An insert will help. If you had to describe this product in one sentence, what is it?
Main goal is to provide peace of mind to parents, to homeowners, to anyone who wants to keep their stuff safe. So this is like a motion sensor. It notifies you on your phone the drawer that you place your key in has been opened, or your gun safe was opened, or anything like that.
Okay, so we've got a motion sensor safety device. Got it. And there's a concern that it has a high return rate.
It highly depends on, for example, apparel, it's way higher. Like it could be 25.
But this is a security item that's complex. It's not a plug and play product. As much as the product wants to claim it is, it's not. I think 9% is fine. I think the solution here is no action. I think the product insert was correct. I don't think you need to worry about 9% return rate.
I want to focus myself on, growing sales, obviously. If I grow sales, obviously it's going to increase the returns.
Here's what I would do. Hey, Mr. Brand, we're going to add a return rate percentage to a report, and we're going to track this on a monthly basis. Our baseline is 9%. Anything between 10% and under, we're not going to talk about. We think anything under 10% is fine. The second this goes to 11%, we're going to have an alarm bell go off. We're going to bring it to your attention. We're going to start talking about it. But anything under 10%, Stephen Pope says, is phenomenal. In fact, if we look at other categories in electronics and security, it's usually closer to 15. We think your return rate is just fine. The two things that came to my mind was spend more on advertising, and the second would be UGC videos. So what I would do is I would consider pitching my TikTok guy and trying to get some UGC video content. That's what I would do personally. If you want to master Amazon FBA, subscribe to my Amazon guy and become a part of our community.